Hello, people of YouTube. Coming to you from my living room. Got an extra dog today. My other dog I've trained to be quiet while I make these videos. This dog is not trained for that. Alright, so we're doing a song called Highway Mile. It's by a group called Dark Tea. Highway Mile by Dark Tea. It's kind of I would say it's a serious song, but it's kind of jazzy though. Alright, we could play it like this, just C. But what they're playing is C major 7 to F major 7. My dog is eating some kind of dog treat here. Now you could play that in the open position. That's probably one of the easiest chord progressions for kind of keeping it jazzy, because C major 7 is just a C chord without your index finger. Alright, so C. And then F major 7, you can play that by playing the simplified F shape. By the way, I have a kind of jazzy sound with a chorus and a phaser. But the F major 7 is an index finger here on the first fret on the B string. And then I got my middle finger on the second fret on the G, and my third finger on the D string. And then we're going to play the high E. That's what makes it the major 7, F major 7. We're going to play strings 4 through 1. Then walk a highway mile. No sidewalks, so that just crappy roads. So anyways, that's the main part of the first part of the song. And then it goes to G. All right. So what happens is we start on the C, F major 7, C major 7, F major 7. Then it stays on the the F major 7 for a second bar. My sister, my brother, I want another. And that's where it goes to the G. Goes back to F to G. Okay, so we started out C major 7 to F major 7. Then it stays on the F major 7 for 2 measures, and then goes G to F major 7. That's how the verse ends. It goes into the chorus. Then the chorus is highway mile, highway mile, highway mile. So the chorus is F, C, F major 7, C major 7, C major 7. 7 to G to F. And then it repeats. Alright, there is like a little guitar solo. Let's talk about that. So the first part of the solo is starts on the F. So we play F shape. We're doing that F shape. On the D string, we play the 3rd fret. Then we pull off with our index finger. So we go D, and then we're playing on the B, 1st fret. Then let go. Then go to your C7. Okay, and we're just playing open strings, 4, 3, 2, and then we go back. This is just like a little riff takes the place of the C major 7. Okay, so it's like a chordal kind of solo up to this point. For the second part of the solo, he moves into the A minor pentatonic. Okay, and that's it's like playing C major. Okay, so just open position and then A minor for the second part of the solo. All right, that's Highway Mile by Dark T. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed me trying to teach while my dog was making noise. Thanks, bye.